Lord, I come to you with a heart that needs your care. All my worries, all my fears, I bring them to you in prayer. I will lean on you, Lord. You never let me fall through the trials and storm. I will walk with you each day. You are always right beside me. I sing praises to your name. When tomorrow feels unknown and I cannot see the way, help me take one step in faith every single day. I will lean on you, Lord. You never let me fall through the trials and storm. I will walk with you each day. You are always right beside me. I sing praises to your name. When my heart feels tired and weak, I know your strength is all I need. You lift me up and show the way. I will follow your command. I will lean on you, Lord. You never let me fall through the trials and storm. I will walk with you each day. You are always right beside me. I sing praise